it's craft time. Today we're going to use recycled materials and our imaginations and think about something that we could use that could maybe get rid of some of the space junk or orbital debris that's going around our Earth. So I was collecting all kinds of different recycled materials that we could use in this activity today. I have a shampoo bottle that I washed out and a yogurt cup. I have a market basket and some rubber bands, and I have aluminum foil and also some tape. So I was thinking about making some kind of, I was intrigued by the idea of a laser that could break up the debris and get rid of the debris. So I was thinking maybe this could be turned into a pretend laser. I'm going to attach my yogurt cup. I noticed the yogurt cup kind of just fits right on the end of my shampoo bottle. So I'm going to attach that with a little bit of black tape. I'm just going to put the tape going down like this and secure my yogurt cup right onto the shampoo bottle with the tape so it doesn't fall off. And then I'm going to add something that makes it look like it's zapping. And I was thinking the aluminum foil would be really great for that. We got some aluminum foil right here. And I'm just gonna wrap that aluminum foil right around the end of the yogurt cup. Squeeze it. I'm gonna squeeze it. It makes kind of a, there we go, like that. And what if I made it into a kind of a, shaped it into a kind of a zigzag shape? Maybe that looks kind of like a laser beam is coming out of the end of my device here. Wow, that looks pretty spacey so far. I think I'm gonna add a little tape to make sure that my foil stays right on like that. And a little more. What do you think? I think it should have some buttons that you can push to make sure that that you can turn on and off the laser. You wouldn't want it to be going on and on all the time. So what could I use for buttons? Maybe these rubber bands might be good for something. Let's see, I can wrap the rubber band around like that. Or just some more tape could be good for a button that we could push. I got a piece of tape here, and if I tear it into a small piece like that, that could go right on here, and I can make 1, 2 buttons. There, that looks pretty good. I think I can boo, zap, and get rid of some of the space junk that's annoying us and making it dangerous for astronauts out in space. What could you create? Man, I didn't even use my box or the market basket. Maybe this could be something that could go along and suck up, or a net that could drag along and collect some different debris and bring it back to Earth. We'd love to see what ideas you have. If you could share them with us on our Facebook or using the hashtag #AirInSpace at home on social media. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.